Welcome back to TGM Unbox. In this series, I'll be going through what's on my desk and the things that I use almost every single day when I'm doing online school, photo editing, or video editing. In this episode, I will be talking about my headphone holders, mainly because I've gotten so many questions about them on my Instagram whenever I post my desk, and these things are so cool. So basically, it's a uniform acrylic body that holds almost any type of headphone. I currently have my Bose QC35 Mark IIs on there, and it's a great headphone holder. I know it's kind of weird that I'm reviewing it, but honestly, I've seen so many different types of headphone holders that I really wanted to share this one just because it's so cool and pretty affordable. I found this one on Amazon for about 15 bucks. I'll have a link down below, but yes, this thing is awesome. You may be asking yourself, why do you even need a headphone holder? And what's great about this is instead of leaving your headphones on the counter like this where someone can sit on it, or just having it on the side where someone could sit on it and break it, having it on a holder is just a great place where you can always look and find it, and you don't have to spend countless minutes just looking around the house trying to find it. But if you have this one place, you can always find it right here. Another really cool thing about it is the fact that I always have my micro USB charger right next to it. So anytime this is starting to run low, I take my headphones off, put on the charger, and it's charged, which is awesome. They have a couple different styles of headphone holders. They have some that you can actually mount underneath your desk. That's okay. One of my friends had that, but he said it was always annoying whenever you're moving your legs around in your desk because you could knock into it. So just having it on your desk is really nice, especially if you have nice headphones like the headphones I have. They're a really great accent, and another really cool thing about having these acrylic headphones is the fact that light travels through it and it looks really cool. I have a couple of desk lights, and anytime those lights are on, it shines through the acrylic body and it glows, which makes it look so cool and is just a nice aesthetic on my desk. On a scale of 1 to 10 for usefulness, I'd probably rate these about an 8 or 9. Just the general idea of having a place where you can always put your headphones is great, and just like the look of this is just really nice. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe button. If you want to check these out, again, links down below. Check out my Instagram at James Moreland. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one. Bye.